All right. Hey everyone, Pine Acres RV here in Moncton, coming at you with a brand spanking new arrival, a 2023 Keystone Retreat. Model number is 39FLFT. This has a front master bedroom, rear living kitchen area, and 2 lofts. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-story, and I love it. We do have a Cedar Creek in this model as well. However, they're not even close to being the same price. This retreat is aluminum finish on the outside. We got an outside shower, 2 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. We will include a battery. That's just a protective plastic on those front windows. We got some lights in the front, outside speakers, LED lights in that power awning. I definitely see a nice patio in the front of these doors. All right, let's go in. All right, from the patio doors, voila. Wow. Definitely a beautiful home away from home. So right here we have a table with 4 chairs. That table does extend like so. These chairs do have stores throughout. We got some recliners. Great spot there for your remote controls. Sofa in the back. It does turn into a bed. Love these wooden blinds that they put in throughout. New for 2023. So across from these recliners, we have a beautiful fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. We have Furrion stereo. Extra large TV. Watch this. So from the comfort of this sofa out back, I can pull that TV out and angle it this way. But check out the storage behind the TV. That is awesome. All right, take a look at this center island with beautiful LED lights. Solid surface countertops. Nice fridge. With 2 separate freezers. Like so. All right, let's keep going. A view of the other side of that center island. 2 stainless steel sinks. One bigger than the other. Got ourselves a soap dispenser. Lots of counter space. We got the Furrion oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, what I'd like to call the coffee nook. All right, pantry with a motion sensing light. Nice. USB connections. There's a control center. AC, heat, central vacuum system. And your main bathroom right here. Now that does give you a ceramic toilet. Nice medicine cabinet. Fan. Some storage. There's a good look at the shower. Now you'll notice there's no skylight in the bathroom, and that's because the loft, or one of the lofts, is directly above it. Let's take a look at that. And voila. Loft number 1. And check out the size of this room. So 2 or even 3 people could actually sleep in here. And just behind there's a spot to put a TV. All right, down the steps. And to the master bedroom. Absolutely, that's a king-size bed, folks. Look at the closet. Super deep. And, yep, you can live in this thing. We are prepped for a washer dryer. Closet. Lots of drawers. Lots of storage. And of course, we still have that protective film, but just imagine the view at your piece of land, or maybe that corner lot at the campground. All right, folks, if you like what you see, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick, I hope to see you soon. Please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.